morning, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me. August the 3rd, 2018, Friday. Weekend ahead. That's great. What I wanted to talk to you about are my previous electric cars that I already drove, how I think about them now. Because a few cars, my opinion changed. It's just you experience 5 different cars and then you get a feel what other cars can do, and then you think, why doesn't this car not do that? But before you even experience that, it's just not there. So let's start with the Volkswagen e-Golf, the 2017 model with a 33 kilowatt hour battery, I think, and a 100 kilowatt motor. I mostly think the same. It was an amazingly comfortable car. Seats were amazing. Interior is awesome. Everything is where you want it to be. It looks very clean. The ride quality was awesome. Power was awesome. So driving experience was great. Regen was okay. Could be a bit better. I don't like this whole put it in D and then B. I want to have a regenerative braking setting every time when I get into the car and it has that setting. I don't want to switch around the whole time. It's annoying. Price, I changed my opinion on that. I think it's an okay price for a Volkswagen electric car. But when you look at other electric cars, they're cheaper where you get more range and more charging speed. Consumption, I'm still on the same page. The Volkswagen e-Golf can have an okay consumption if you don't push it, if you don't go too fast. If you go 130 on the highway, because how it's built, the consumption is not very good. And the same if you push it. So if you go on the country road and if you pass a few cars and have fun with the car, consumption is just high. And then with the 33 kilowatt hour battery, is it 35? I can't remember. Your range is just too low. In the perfect condition, if you go 40 kilometers per hour, maybe you get the 300 kilometers that Volkswagen say, but normally you will get a bit over 200. And if, like I said, if you push it a bit in the winter, it's less. And for me, that's not an electric car that would interest me. I need to go some places without having to charge, and for me that's Prague. Prague is 240 kilometers away. I want to get there one step without charging. That's my goal, that's what I want. Charging speed was okay. I think it has 40 kilowatt that it can charge. The charging speed on a Type 2 AC is mostly low on all the cars that can charge, that have a CCS plug. Only the i3 has 11 kilowatt, all the others are 7 or 6 or even less. So that's fine. But overall, Volkswagen e-Golf, not the car for me. I can see the other people like it. For me, it's too much money for what you get. You pay for the name, and I think that other cars, well, you know that I'm a fan of the Hyundai Ioniq, but I think it's not enough range. And now with the Hyundai Kona, the range is there, charging speed is there. Right now, for that price, there is no other car that can do that. So Volkswagen e-Golf, meh. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care.